Hey there, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1957 210. This one's got the 350 under the hood. It's a crate motor. It's got power steering, front disc brakes. It's a 4-speed car and it runs and drives really good. I was in the middle of the test drive, pulled off in this parking lot to do this walk around, pointing out any flaws I could find. That way you're happy when you get here. There's no unexpected stuff just popping up everywhere. I'm gonna point out any kind of rust, chips, scratches, flaws, any body work that I see. And we'll start it up, give you some undercarriage shots, and we'll hit the road again for the test drive. Definitely watch both videos if you're interested, and hit up maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all of our inventory. We also have financing and shipping available. We're gonna get started here. What I like to do is go down the lower panels and then come back the midsection and then hit the top. Noticed already, somebody's put a nice new chrome front bumper on this. It looks awesome. Coming down the side here, there's a little scratch inside the paint. See where it's cracked? Couple small little spots there. I got some bubbling popping up here. You can see where it's been worked at one time. It's got this ghost flame effect coming down the door. A couple little chips down there below the door. And another little bubble popping up there under the paint. We've also got this crack. See a little bit of cracks popping up in the paint job right there too. And on down the back side, well, you see where they've replaced the rear bumper. So the front and rear bumper are new. Now we're hitting the side here. You see this paneling looks awesome. It's got a great look to it. There's a few dings up here though in it. And the door's kind of hanging a little bit. A few more dings here. Your handle there's got a little bit of pitting popping up. You've also got some cracking right below your mirror. And if you look down into the paint, you can see some little spider webbing going on. There's some more spider webbing popping up right there. You can see it on top of this fender here. A lot of the chrome little pieces, like the antenna there, is nice and clean looking. I appreciate it. You also got some little rusty bolts or rusty screws going into your mirror there. Some of the trims got some oxidation on them. Trying to cover everything here, guys. Going back down this area, looking over the roof and the windows. I've also got a chip in the paint right here. Got a chip here. This car is far from perfect. It's got a really good look to it, but it does have a lot of little flaws and stuff. Once you get real close, you can tell it's been painted a while. See some chips down here in the jamb, and up there in the trunk lid. Also got a good seal, a lot of chips in the edges. Also see the insulation was painted over. This kind of stuff's popping up all over the car where the paint's flaking off. Looks like old, dry, cracked paint. Nice and clean on this side. Let's look up under this mat. They didn't paint the center, I guess. It's some surface rust popping up there. It is a little weak back in here in the corner. You see a lot of holes and stuff. Probably gonna need a trunk pan. Some old tape sitting in there. Looking up at the package tray, looks fairly solid. All right, let's throw this back up in here. And I'll fix it later. Trunk's nice and dry. Let's see how it shuts. A little stiff coming down. Make sure it don't fly up on me. Some more of this stuff popping up on the trunk lid there. Paint's cracking. Got your gas cap hidden. All right, we're gonna do the same thing down this side. I'm gonna run down your bottom panels and then come back and then hit the top. So the paint's cracking there as well. The old paint coming off. There's a scratch right here. Also got some chips at the bottom of your door. Right there. And there. Small bubble, and it's cracking here as well. It's kind of zooming in on all the little chips because there's so many of them. Let's go back to midsection now. Well, I'm gonna walk to the back. My shadow's all in there. Looks like we have some dings popping up here. Little scuff marks there. You can see around your door handle here, you got some of that paint cracking. You got a lot of little chips in the middle of your door. Ding in the trim, chips in the paint. All right, we'll go to the back one more time and we'll hit the top portion of the car here. This little crack here. We've also got some chips on your pillars. Oxidation on your vent window there. Chip here. Also one there. Lots of dry cracking popping off here on the paint job. Top of the fender there. We also got some chips on the inner portion. We will be lowering the hood after we get it started. I'm going to give you some undercarriage shots as well. Let's go ahead and check this inside out. That door panel looks pretty good. Interior's in good shape. Go ahead, be thinking. You believe that horn works or not? Little game we like to play on this channel. Let's check the bottom of this door. Weather stripping looks good. Carpet's in decent shape. Jam looks pretty good. tilt column. And it does work. Showing 96,000 miles on the dash, but I can't stand behind that on these cars. This one's got a crate motor in it anyways. During the test drive, I was watching my gauges and they were working, other than our temp gauge wasn't coming up, but now it is. Started to work and it's good to go. Interior wise, this thing's nice and clean. Let's go ahead and start it up. So now the temp gauge is not working again. May not be wired up correctly. Oil pressure's coming up. We also got a nice tack. The radio does not work. The blower motor does not work. The windshield wipers do work. Kind of got to stop them. Let's see. There we go. Got it. And the horn. Are you ready? No horn on this one. Just a pretty steering wheel. You'll have to add a horn. Seems like she's idled up a little high, which that's not an issue. That's just a screw. Motor's pretty quiet. See if I can turn it down. It's like a fairly new Holly on there too. That sounds a lot better there. I think we could go a little bit lower. Holding her own there. Let's head on back to the exhaust and listen to them again. Oh yeah. Well, we just had a wreck over there. I don't know if you could see it. I'll zoom in on it. They just smacked into a telephone pole off the side of the road. That's no good. Surprised that pole didn't fall. Goodness. Hopefully they weren't rubbernecking back over here. We're about to have all kinds of police over in this area though. So I'm gonna finish this video up and get out of here. He's already got 5 or 6 people checking on him. Hopefully he's okay. That wasn't very good. Sorry to interrupt the video, guys. I heard that was pretty loud. Anyways, we got her idled down pretty good. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Go to maplemotors.com, check out the detailed pictures. It's also undercarriage shots on there with interior. It got me a little flustered. All right, I'm gonna look up under this car for you real quick. Looks like it's got some new stuff up under here. I've also got some spring raisers sitting in there too. Sure hope that guy's all right. Okay, I appreciate y'all watching. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. All of our inventory can be located on there, and we update every Monday. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road, get out of here, go to a new spot. It looks like that guy's okay. He got out of his car. He's standing behind it now. So we're good. We're good on that. I hope y'all have a good day. Definitely check the test drive out. You can locate it the last 30 seconds of this video. I'll see y'all later, guys. Thanks for watching.